Recording. Yes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wasn't planning on filming, but then the UPS guy rang the doorbell and he dropped off this All Saints package. I've never ordered from them before, so this is exciting, and I thought I would do a really quick unboxing because why not? I know people like unboxings, and I figured, hey, we can check it out together. Unfortunately, when I ordered, I got an email afterwards, like a few days later, saying that not everything I selected is in stock, and I hate that because you get like so excited, you know, for certain things, and then they don't even have it. But nonetheless, there are still some things. Wow. So this white top is like completely covered in lint. I don't know if that is gonna show. I'm filming with my selfie, like front facing selfie kind of cam on my phone, so I feel like it's not the clearest. But this looks really cute. So this is like a crop. Can you guys see this? Hang on. So this is a crop. It's like a sweatshirt material. It's basically as if you took your own sweatshirt and cropped it. I think this looks really, really cute. So I'm excited about this. Everything I ordered was on sale, and if there are prices here, I will let you know. If not, I will link to everything. Okay, so there are prices. So this cropped top was normally $62 Canadian, and I got it for $56, which is still expensive, but I mean, if it's cute and I wear it a lot, then I think that it's fine. The price is worth it. I mean, it looks cute. It's really, I need to do like a try on haul for you guys. There's no room in here. Okay, and then this. Oh, this is a scarf. Okay, I don't have a black scarf. I'm like the only human on earth. I'm sure there's others for sure, but I mean, one of the rare people that does not own a black scarf. The only thing, this looks really beautiful, but it's like really linty. So this is, I think it's pure wool. It's a black wool scarf, and then it has like the fringe. Do you see that? It's really big. See how thick it is? It's really nice. And I just really wanted a plain black scarf. I just have never had one. This is really pretty. I really like this. It's called the boiled wool scarf. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I must have saved a lot of money. Why? This is weird. Okay, so this tag says US dollars, $228. And then here it shows that I paid 85 Canadian, and then it shows normally 95. So maybe what's going on is the normal prices were like a discount, and then it's a further discount, which I do think is right, because I do remember, I think it was 30% off sale items. So I was looking in the sale section, and then I believe I got a discount off the sale. So yeah, so this top then, did it have a price? Oh, okay, so this top was $90 US originally, which seems extreme. So if that's actually the case, I mean, these sales are really like deep discounts, which is crazy. I don't think, I would never pay, so Canadian, this would be like $120. I would never, I don't know. I mean, it's nice, but it's, yeah. And then this, like, wow, that is expensive. It is nice. It's very thick. So if you're looking for a really, like, look how nice and thick this is. If you're looking for a really thick scarf, they had other colors too. And then it has like a little, do you see that it says All Saints? It's like a piece of leather. This is really nice. Wow. Okay. The only thing is like shedding kind of. It's making lint, and that was what was all over the white shirt. Okay. Wow. Well, I'm happy with that. And then the only other thing that I got is this jacket. Unfortunately, there was supposed to be another shirt that was out of stock. So this is a camouflage, it's a denim jacket, and it's not like super thick or very stiff. It's almost like a shirt, kind of. It's in between like a denim and and that like shirt denim. I forget what that's called. Anyways, so just to kind of give you an idea, this is the Soul shirt jacket, camouflage cream, and I got a US 4. It says US dollars 180, which is like extreme. What the heck? I definitely did not pay anything near that. I paid $67 Canadian, and it says it was normally 75, so that must have been a sale price 75, and then I got it for 67. Okay, so let's try this. This looks cute though. I'll try it with the scarf on because why not, you know? It's definitely very oversized. I can tell already. Oh my gosh, like why can't I get my arm in? What's going on? Wow, this is like massively huge. What in the heck? Okay, I gotta take off the scarf. What is even going on here, you guys? This is really weird. I don't know. I'll have to check this out in the mirror afterwards. But, yeah, I don't know. Like, it's cropped, which I thought would be cute, but I'm not liking how massive, like, that's really big. I understand to be, like, loose, but this is, like, I don't know. This is just, this might, I don't know. We'll have to check this out, like, later in the mirror. It just seems big, right? You think? Okay, this is the cropped little top, and this is cute. It's very plain. I think this is cute though. This is like really easy to wear with anything, especially in summer. And the reason why I thought I'd like this, it has like has a little pouch. The reason I thought I would like this is because I am always cold, and this is like a thicker material, but it's essentially a t-shirt, so I thought that's kind of a good idea for me because I'm seriously always freezing. Even putting this on, I'm just like, ooh, it's cold. Yeah, I think like it's oversized, but that's how it's supposed to be, and I think it fits right. I like it. I think it's cute. It's very simple. My phone, I'm looking at it, but it's so dark, so I can't really see too much what I look like. Anyways, yeah, that concludes my All Saints haul. Really short, quick video. I hope that you enjoyed this. I will link everything down below, and yeah, thanks so much for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye.